Yes, good morning children. Beta, in last period we have completed exercise 18.3 till question number 5th. Okay, till 5th question we have completed, and now today we are going to start from question number 6th. And see that beta, what is the question number 6th? If ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, ABCD is a parallelogram, BDL, see that DL and BM are heights on AB. DL means DL is height on AB. So DL will be in this way. I am just making, just see that DL. This will be DL and BM are heights on this one. DL is on AB and BM is on AD. Okay. BM is on AD, like that beta, in this way. BM. Okay. So these will be make the angle of 90 degree here. Okay, it means this will be heights. If so, you can take them H1 and H2. H1 and H2. Now, if the area of the parallelogram is 1470, area A is equal to 1470 square centimeter. Okay, AB is 35. From A to B is 35. Okay, and AD is 49. This one is 49. Okay, beta. So, what will be? Find the height of BM and DL. It's very simple. See that beta. From anywhere, if we can find the, in previous video also I discussed with you how we will do these kinds of questions. See that area of parallelogram is equal to beta base into height. Okay, area is parallelogram, how much it is given to us? See that area of parallelogram is given 1470. See that 1470 square centimeter is equal to base. First of all, I am taking DL as a perpendicular height, H1 for H1. So H1 height is on which base? At that time base is AB. So it will be AB or into H1. Okay. So 1470 square centimeter is equal to AB is beta how much? 35. So 35 into H1. Okay. So 1470 square centimeter divided by 35 is equal to beta H1, because this is in multiplication, it will come in the division. Now see that what the value will come. If you will divide it beta, it will come 42. 42 is equal to H1. And what we have considered H1? H1 means DL. So find the height of BM and DL. So DL we have find. So 42 is equal to DL. This will be your first answer. Okay, now again see that. Okay, again see that if we will take area of parallelogram is equal to beta base into height. This time we are taking base as which? DA, because BM is perpendicular on DA. Okay, BM is perpendicular on DA. So see that area of parallelogram, it will be constant, same as 1470 is equal to base DA into BM. Okay, so 1470 is equal to DA is you have to given 49 into BM. So 1470, it will be centimeter, 70 square centimeter upon 49 is equal to BM. Now divide it. So it will be beta BM is equal to 30. BM is equal to 30 centimeter, and this will be your answer. Okay. So in this way you can see that how easily we can do these kind of question. Okay. Now come to the question number 7. See that beta. Now question number 7. What is that? See the question. Okay. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. I am showing you this question also in your textbook also. Just see that this is the question. Triangle ABC triangle ABC is right angled at A. Right angled at A as shown here. Okay. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Find the area of triangle ABC. You have to find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. Length of AD also you have to find. Beta, first of all, just see, it is a right angle triangle. It is right angle at two where? It is right angled at A. And you know that the sides which are making right angle, जो साइड right angle बनाती हैं उन्हीं में से एक बेस होती है और एक हाइट होती है. आपको मैंने समझाया था, है ना. जो दो साइड्स राइट एंगल बनाती हैं तो वहीं से उनका एरिया निकलता है. जो राइट एंगल बनाती हुई साइड हैं वही उसका क्या होती हैं, एक को बेस ले लेते हैं और एक को हाइट ले लेते हैं. नाउ सी दैट कि एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके, but here in right angle they are making right angle at A. It means you can take AC as base and AB as height. Okay, so it will become beta 1/2 into AC or into AB. Height can be AB. Okay beta, so it will come beta 1/2 into AC means 12 or into AB means 5. So 2 6 ja 12 and 6 5 the 30. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 30 centimeter square. Okay, एक तो इसका एरिया इस तरीके से निकाला जा सकता है. दिस इज द वन वे टू फाइंड द एरिया. अनदर वे इज ऑल्सो देयर टू फाइंड द एरिया. अब की बार ये BC है, दिस इज द बेस एंड दिस इज योर परपेंडिकुलर हाइट. So how we can find the area of the same triangle? We can find in two ways. Okay, this time we are finding area of triangle ABC is equal to base BC or into height beta AD. Okay, BC is how much? Area of triangle of ABC, just now you have find 30. So in place of area of triangle ABC you can put 30 centimeter square. So right there 30 centimeter square is equal to BC is 13 multiplied by height AD, because you have to find AD now. So 30 divided by 13 is equal to AD. Okay, so find that now. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into BC into AD. 1/2. Write that beta 1/2. Okay, so I am cutting this line. So it will be 30 centimeter square is equal to 1/2 into 13 into AD. Okay beta, now do the cross multiplication. This 2 will go here. 30 centimeter square into 2 divided by 13. Okay, 30 centimeter square, because 1/2 base into height. Previously I have by mistake I have written base into height. It is 1/2 into base into height, है ना. So this 2 will go here and this 13 will go in divide here, is equal to AD. Now see that how it will come. So beta it will come 60 centimeter square divided by 13 centimeter. So centimeter and this power will cancel, is equal to beta AD. So if you will divide it, it will come 4.61. Okay, centimeter is equal to AD. So see that how we can do. Again one more time I am explaining you, just listen here. It was a right triangle at AD, right triangle at A. So in this way the side which are making right angle, they in right angle triangle you can take them right, the side which are making right angle, take them as any side as a base and another side as a perpendicular. So same I have done. So these were 12 and 5. So in this way I have find the area of triangle ABC. It came 30 centimeter square. Then in another way also the area of triangle can be find, because here BC also side was there and in this side also AD as a perpendicular. So you can find that area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into BC into AD. but already you have find that area of this triangle ABC is 30, so you can put 30 here, is equal to 1/2 into 13 centimeter into AD. Now you have taken the cross multiplication, 2 will go here and this 13 will come down in the denominator. Now after cancellation and doing the calculation part, you got that AD will come at the 4.661 centimeter. This will be your answer. Now come to the last question of that is question number 8. Find the base of the triangle of height 12 centimeter. Height is given beta 12 centimeter. Here we are solving all the question related to triangle only. Area of triangle is equal to 144 square centimeter. Okay, you know that formula for area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay beta. This is the formula, general formula for find area of triangle. You have to given 144 is equal to 1/2 into base. How much beta? Base is, we don't know base, we have to find, so right here base only, and height is 12. Okay, so 2 6 ja 12, so 144 is equal to 6 into base. Okay, so 144 divided by 6 is equal to beta base of triangle. Okay, see that now. 6 2 ja 12, 2 will come, 6 4 ja 24 centimeter is equal to base of triangle. So this will be your answer. So in this way beta, this exercise also it has completed. Now we are moving to the next topic. See that. So in next part of the video beta, I am going to start your chapter number 20. Okay, that is percentage and its application. This topic we are closing here because it has completed now. Okay.